In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mask out a moving object in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. The first step is to open your clip in the color page. Make sure you are in the first frame. Click on this icon and then choose the pen tool. Start masking out the car carefully by clicking. If you click and hold, you can make these curves to the mask. If you want to only adjust the second part of the curve, hold Command and drag. Once the mask is ready, click on this icon to open up the tracking window. Click on Track Forward. Sometimes it might track it perfectly, but usually it messes up the tracking. To fix this, click on Frame and start manually dragging the points to the correct places. Once the first and last frames are set, go through the video and fix all the points that need fixing. Once that's done, go over to the Node section and right-click. Choose Add Alpha Output and connect the node to it with the blue line. Then after that, go back to the masking window and increase softness to the inside, around 1 to 1.5. That's basically it.